To use the importer in Big Easy Accounting for Google Sheets, you're going to want to make sure your settings are correct. Open up a new tab and find the 9 little dots here that says Google Apps and click on that. Then you want to scroll down to Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, you want to click on this little settings wheel and then click Settings again. You want to be sure to put a check mark here where it says Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs, and then click Done. Now head back over to the Big Easy Accounting program and click on Main Menu and then click on Setup. Under Import Setup, Account for Importing. This setup screen is where you would be mapping out the different columns that would be on a CSV file from your bank. There are step-by-step instructions on the user guide. You take a look at that, or we can help you get this set up. But what you do is you choose like which account you want to set up for importing, and you can put in your bank URL here if you want, just so it's convenient to get to, and the number of header rows is like the top few rows that are on the CSV file, and you would choose which column is your date in, and where's the check number in which column, and every bank is different, so this is set up specifically for your bank based on your CSV file. And once you've completed all of this, you would submit. You would see that the checking account has been set up for importing, and then you're all set to import. You would then click on Import Transactions. Then you would select your account, and you would select your CSV file. And you would click Submit. Transactions will appear in the last rows here. Then you would just need to select the categories. And that's it.